Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka niga app na ka Play Store.
Hatu pikwa baki jan jongpi kin kuit bha, benar kam da ka Oswell Soup, hilaban yo na barok kidukan.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka Jingkulmar nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, Kynnoh scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka Jingkulmar ka Jingseo ka paret but hila ban legu ban kulier da ka education loan, hila ruban syukola ho number, kandai nyo saw san riu pranot, lani kandai pran riu laisan, arn riu kandai pra.
State President jangka Meghalaya Trinamool Congress uba Charles Pungrop haga arpkandai terik unaitung arajar arpulai ulaong ba omdei setia ban syukunno yagi sengsan perthei bakidei gi badon khti ban kenshet yagi pait ba ban thau Jingkulmar haga jing kendo jong menteri rang ba kajela Konrad Kongkal Sangma yagi kenhun baper hanong ba Tura haga arpsau terik unaitung arajar arpulai Kibakwa ban pensngau halor ke jingdawa ban penterikam syadien yaga reservation policy bat ban pelong yaga nong ba Tura kum ka winter capital. Hag jing ikren bat kilat patai khobor uba Charles Pungrop ulaong ba wat lagi pulit kila kem yagi brio gi badon kti ban thau yagi Jingkulmar kat kum kisaki sabut henrei hag jok opor ulaong pat ba omdei ban pelong politics yaga ni ge jingja daga ba syutei pop yagi sengsan perthei.
As a president of the party or even as a legislator, I totally condemn the incidents that happened in Tura, irrespective of who were the perpetrators of the incident. Because civilization like ours, we can't afford to behave like barbarians, and especially to try and bodily harm the Honorable Chief Minister it's a disgrace to our community and to the state as a whole. And such things should never have occurred in the first place. That is my view. If there is video evidence, then the police have done their job. We're not denying that. You need evidence, and if there's video evidence, well, the court of law will see it, and then accordingly the judgment will be passed. If they had the information, like they said, the DGP said we knew this something was around, then they should have put the proper SOPs in place. As to how you deter such an incident when you are aware that this incident is going to happen. See, in my opinion, first of all, the police, when they get their inputs as to what is happening or what is going to happen, they should act swiftly, irrespective of whether it happens or not. Because after all, the CM is a protected person. So they should have, I don't know how the crowds managed to get that close in the first place. Number two, like the other incidents you're talking about, the police have to be more proactive. I would say, you can't blame them for everything because half the time they are also overburdened and I was made to understand, even understaffed. So the reformation of the department with officers who can handle the situation must be put in the right place so as to avoid such incidents in future. Well, I would not like to comment on what the Honorable Parliamentary Party leader has said, but an independent probe will definitely go well down with the people of Meghalaya because we also want to know the truth as to who has committed. But my humble request is let us not politicize the matter. And not say it was TMC or the BJP or the Congress or anyone. Let it be that let evidence. They have picked up some people and they have interrogated them also. And also let truth prevail and then law will take its own course. And in the case of Richard Marag, I was made to understand that at that point of time, he was not even in the place of occurrence. So I find it quite surprising that the police picked him up. They could have picked him up for questioning, but to detain him was somehow, I felt, not logical. As far as my knowledge goes, his wife has been discharged from the hospital the same day. And I was made to understand that he was with his wife at that time in his own residence. What it shows is let the the court of inquiry or the commission of inquiry come out with the facts and figures.